Hello guys, so today we're going to solve another lead code problem here. So we have a problem given where we have a phrase that is a palindrome. A palindrome is like an after that we actually convert all of the characters, uppercase characters to lowercase and also remove all of the alphanumeric characters, non-alphanumeric characters. Non-alphanumeric characters means any character that is not in the numeric form or in the like alphabet form. So, and also we want to what parental number is that if you actually reverse this um string, the non-alphanumeric character base string, if you reverse it and compare it with the original, it would be the same. It would be the same thing. So that is a palindrome. So we have like two solutions to actually solve this problem. One solution is to use the brute force method. If I write this down here, we have a first method that is the brute force method. Brute force is going to be simply if I actually tell this in a verbal form. What we're going to do is to first convert all of these. Like first, we are going to do is to check whether a character is alphanumeric. We have a function in Python that is lm. I think that is the function that actually checks whether a character is an alphanumeric or not. So we check whether it's alphanumeric character, and we convert it to lowercase, and then concatenate it to a string, and then check in the Pythonic way whether the string is comparable to its reverse string. So that is a brute force method, and that is pretty much obvious to do. So that is going to cost us, I think so. It's going to cost us O of n time complexity. Uh, so that is going to be the thing. And about the space complexity, I think so. It's going to be costing us around um, maybe because the thing is, we are not actually storing the whole um, stream because we are actually filtering it out. But I think so. Maybe we can consider O of n complexity. But the real method that we are going to talk about is to use a more efficient data structure to solve this problem, and that is linked list. We are going to use, sorry, that is the two-pointer approach. The two-pointer approach, let me just show you, let me just explain to you how we are going to do. First, what we're going to do is to filter out this string to the non-alphanumeric. We can use some kind of a regular expression for this kind of stuff for filtering this. And so at the end of the day, what we're going to have is we're going to have a filtered string that is going to be consisting of a. We're going to also convert this into lowercase as well when we are doing the process. So we're going to have something of a like this, similar to what we have in the bottom. And then what we're going to use is we're going to use the two-pointer approach to iterate this. And how we're going to do it? For example, first pointer, for example, I is going to start from here, and the second pointer j is going to start from at the end of at the end of the uh, array or list we have, right? And what we're going to do is to iterate, like this pointer is going to iterate from the first to the last. Sorry, it's not going to be at the last. It's going to uh iterate till it reaches the j. Like both of these will iterate till they reach an index where they are both the same, right? So j would be decrementing and I would be incrementing, and they would reach a point where both of them will have the same index, and then that will stop. And we're going to continuously check whether during the iteration any character that comes that doesn't match with the other character. For example, if I am actually on this for example, j decrements to third last character and a increments to the third index, right? Both of these have the same character a. So this means we are still having a palindrome with us. But if any of the character mismatches in our iteration, then we're going to suppose that this is not a palindrome string. So I hope you actually like understand the problem. So this is going to cost us the complexity is going to go because we are actually like majorly iterating uh, at the same time, and we're going to be at the middle of things because we are not actually like iterating the whole array. We are actually like iterating from one side then the other side, and we are going to converge at one particular point that is actually the midpoint. So we have this as two-pointer approach. We're going to have this O log of n. And similar to the brute force is going to cost us the same, I would say, I guess, O of n. I don't know what to consider here. Because the initial method of storing the string is the same as the brute force, but the other looping mechanism or the iteration of the mechanism is a different between these two. So let's jump on to the lead code here and let's start. The first way, what we're going to do is to import RE. RE is the library for the regular expression, and we're going to use this function here to like um, create a regular expression. Let me explain. So slash W is for like creating alphanumeric for detecting alphanumeric characters, and dash is for for the dash characters that we have for the underscore sorry characters, and then we're going to use like the plus sign here. Plus sign is for, and also we're going to use 1 minute. We're going to use here the plus sign here to check whether this we want to like get the multiple instances of this thing. So and now what we're going to do is to get the result of this. So we're going to use pattern dot subtract and put an empty string here. And also what we need to do is to convert this to lowercase string. So this will actually like filter out all of the uh, only the alphanumeric characters, and it would then like convert this into lowercase characters. And the next thing we're going to do, okay, so next thing we're going to do is to iterate this. We're going to use the two pointers here. I is equal to going to be j, and I is equal to 0, and j is going to be the end pointer here. Then what we're going to do is use a while loop. I should be smaller than j, right? And then what we're going to do is to check if any of these characters don't match, we are going to return as false because a palindrome has to be equal wherever it is, like in every position. Like for example, if I is 1, I is in the index 1, the j should be the on the first, second, last index. It should be the same character there. So I plus equal to 1, we're going to increment it, and this is going to be decremented, and we're going to return true if everything is good. I think so. This looks good so far. Let's see if there's some mistake here or something. Okay, I think so there is small bit of mistake. 1 minute. Let me just see if this is the case. I think this was actually the mistake here. Let me just see if it actually works. This should be uh, a different one. Sorry for the interruption, guys. So this was actually the regular expression. I just this bracket should be outside because we are excluding the non-alphanumeric characters here. So that is why it should be this bracket should be here for the pattern recognition. And so this would be the case. And let's just submit it out and let's see how it goes. So we have a solution here. So hopefully you guys like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you like it, and also do provide your suggestions on how to improve this stuff in the future. We'll be looking forward to your responses. Take care. Have a nice day, guys. Great day.